and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the rooms ain't no lie, we can do it anyhow. You know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll never sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bounce and ranks come from mash up the place.
Hello folks, welcome to Yardie TV. This is Taste Buds. Today the wifey was making dinner and we decided to grab our camera and just start shooting. We don't have our list of ingredients, but this is the best that we could give you. We're making gungo peas with bulgur. Yes, we're replacing the rice and we're putting bulgur up as the meal of choice today. We're picking up the video right at the point where the wifey is just about to put the bulgur into some coconut milk that she had on the stove boiling. Guys, this one was awesome and I do recommend that you try it in your neck of the woods. So just take a listen to what the wifey has to say right about now as we pick up the video in the middle of the cooking process. Peace and love.
Adding the bulgur wheat. Mix all of that in. And now I'm just gonna pretty much season the pot. First of all, I am going to be putting some salt. So I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Some black pepper. A quarter teaspoon of that, and about a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and a little dash of Lawry's seasoned salt, just to give the pot a little oomph, just to oomph up the flavor of it, not too much. I'm just gonna dump in all of my seasonings that I mentioned earlier, including the butter. And just stir that in nicely. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, about a quarter cup of water. And I don't know about you guys, but I like to add a little bit of sugar when I'm making rice and peas, so I figured that it would work well with the bulgur and the peas also. So not much, just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir that in, and we're good to go. I'm just gonna top that with a whole scotchy, a scotch bonnet pepper. You know you can't make anything of this nature without a scotch bonnet pepper, so just drop that on top, cover your pot, and leave it for a little bit to cook. We will come back. yeah, it has been about 25 minutes and the bulgur is all done. I have fluffed it up and I tasted it, and guys, it tastes delicioso. Trust me on that one. So yeah, if you're looking for a rice alternative that is a healthier alternative, less starchy, more fibrous, then the bulgur wheat is on point. All right, so there you have it, guys, our bulgur with gungo peas, also known as pigeon peas, and we just served it up with some chicken thighs. We have a little vegetable sambal to the side, if you may call it that, and we have some plantains, sweet plantains. So that's dinner. Be sure to try this recipe. It is, like I said before, a healthy alternative to rice or any other starchy foods that you normally accompany your meats with. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to like, rate, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you think about this one, alright? Thank you.
So that's it, guys. As you can see, our plate is filled. We made sure to offset the animal protein with a lots of vegetable. Remember, guys, bulgur and pigeon peas is a must try. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and look out for more from Taste Buds. Yardie saying peace out.